Hey there, it's me, and today I'm going to show you how to trade like a pro with Apex Trader Funding. As a beginner trader, you may be wondering what is Apex Trader Funding and how can it help me become a successful trader? Well, in a nutshell, Apex Trader Funding is a trading firm that was founded in 2017 and has over 200,000 traders participating in their program. They provide traders with the capital they need to trade, and a portion of the profit goes to the Apex Trader Funding firm. It's a win-win situation for both parties. Traders get the capital they need to trade and the firm gets a portion of the profit. Now, you may be wondering, how does this benefit me as a trader? Well, with Apex Trader Funding, you only risk what you have available in your account. Another great thing about Apex Trader Funding is that there are no hidden fees or commissions. You only pay a monthly service fee, which is clearly stated on their website. There are also no daily, weekly, or total loss limits, so you have the freedom to trade without restrictions. Now, let's talk about the different types of accounts available with Apex Trader Funding. They have for different accounts, each with its own unique features and benefits. The micro, mini, standard, and pro accounts range from $1,000 to $2 million in value. Each account has different profit targets, evaluation periods, and maximum payout percentages. The higher the account size, the higher the potential profits. But how do you know which account is right for you? Well, it depends on your trading experience and the amount of capital you have available to trade. If you're a beginner trader, I recommend starting with the micro or mini account. This will allow you to gain experience and build your confidence before moving on to the higher accounts. If you're ready to take the next step in your trading journey, I encourage you to check out the Apex Trader Funding website and sign up today. With its flexible trading conditions, unlimited earning potential, and experienced support team, it's the perfect place for you to learn how to trade like a pro. Don't wait any longer. Start your journey towards becoming a successful trader with Apex Trader Funding today. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best in your future trading endeavors. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and honing your skills, and you will eventually become the successful trader you aspire to be. Good luck and see you in the next video.